Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, my name is Yancy. If you're new here, I'm on a journey to become debt free, and today is February 11, which is my debt update, which I'm so excited. Every month I'll be doing a debt update. It is raining. You hear that? So it is extremely gloomy. I'm gonna post a little video here. This was before me clicking record before it started raining. So it was gloomy all week last week, and then this week is gonna be raining all week except for Friday. It's crazy. So I have two Happy Meal from the Pen Pal group that Amanda created. Where I'm from, Eli, I believe. It's like Save Life with Me or something like that. But I will put her at in the description box so you guys can follow her. And then this one is from Cool Mom Plans. So I barely subscribed to her yesterday. She made her first video yesterday. And then her, I don't think I'm subscribed to her, but I will try to my best to find her. So I'm gonna show you guys that this is the free items that I got from them. So we were sending each other free items from our Etsy shop or Ko-fi shop. If you haven't already, click on my description box. I have my Etsy shop there for scratch offs and saving challenge, and also from my Ko-fi shop, which are free. And I do want to show you guys this since yesterday we went to the aquarium in Georgia. Oh, it's raining. It's pouring. I created this as in like an aquarium inspire. $2 each star. This is from Nemo, by the way, and $3 for this. So you can print them out and yeah, use them. Let me know if you use them. Tag me in the video so I can watch your video. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the freebies of the Happy Meal. Let me open this one first. Hope you guys are doing great. So today is my husband's birthday. If you don't follow me on Instagram, we went out to eat. And we went to Longhorn because he wanted Texas Roadhouse, but I was like, I'm hungry. We cannot wait until after 3 because they open at 3. And I was like, I cannot wait. So let's go eat now. So we left Dylan to my mom. And then as a little thank you to my mom, I bought her some food. And yeah. All right. So here is from her. As I see here is a cute little cat. I know she said she loves cat. So I believe, yes, it's a cute little cat sticker. You guys, so cute. And then I love the little paper clip. Don't mind me, my fingers, the whiteout was not dry yet when I touched it. And here's another sticker. Yep, another sticker. So cute. And it says thank you. Yeah, there you go. Live with me, Aileen, I believe she said Aileen. So yeah, so TikTok and YouTube and Instagram, so you can find her there. I'm gonna go ahead and put her description at like tag for you to follow, and then we have a $100 little placeholder. Okay, look at the cute little washi tape little heart. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness. Okay, look how cute. This one will save me $25. It is perfect for Valentine's, you guys. So freaking cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, you're the very best. I love it. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, you know I cannot wait to use them. Awesome. And then we have this one with the little milk, chocolate milk, strawberry milk. And then extra non-freebie. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, I'm obsessed with this sticky note. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And it's a cute little butterfly. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. I love it. Definitely going to be using those for Freebie Fridays and Mini Mondays. So yay, thank you so much. Thank you. Trust me, I will definitely use them. Awesome, thank you. Next, from Cool Mom Plans. You guys, this is so cool. It's a great way to like find about other budgeters. And yeah, I love the cute little XO. All right, so here is this one. Oh my gosh. Boo-ness. Boo. Oh, okay, it just flew. Okay, so this one, here it is. It says, hi. Oh my gosh, so excited to be part of this. It seems like it will be a lot of fun. Hope you enjoy those freebies. Happy Valentine's Day. at Cool Mom Plans on YouTube and Ko-fi. XO Anna. Thank you so much, Anna. Oh my gosh, look at this. Is this sticker? I believe it is. A little cute stamp. Then we have another heart. Love. And then here, love of my life. That is just so cute. 200 Corazon challenge. It is so cute. Okay. You know we're going to be using those. Sorry, I'm out of frame. I'm so sorry. Okay, yay! Thank you so much. Okay, I like the texture of this. What are you using? That texture is nice. Thank you. I love the little bone. The bone one. They're so cute. Okay, thank you so much. Yay! More freebies. So yeah, so happy Tuesday. It's happy birthday. You know how I told you guys I was going to do the Jello for his birthday? Well, I changed it and I did some strawberry covers with like Pikachu theme. Okay, so yeah. All right, guys. So here we go. Here is our debt update. Are you guys excited to see my debt update? Oh my goodness. Okay. So last month we were at $6,777 with 50 cents. We did $1,024 with 56 cents towards my debt. This time here, today is the 11th. So February the 11th, 2025. So let me write that down. All right, guys. So for this month, we were able to drop our debt update to $6,097 with 33 cents. We're still in the 6,000. So 6,097 with 33 cents. Oh my goodness, we're so close to getting to that 5. So here, let me get another pen real quick. Okay. So here we have paid, hold on. We have paid $680 with 17 cents. So last month, you guys, oh my goodness, hold on. Trying to record and not run into my or hit my tripod ring light is a struggle. Okay. All right. Yay. Okay. So last month, you guys, we were able to put $680 with 17 cents towards my debt. Oh my goodness. Yay. Look at that. On December, we were at 7,802 with 6 cents. So we're making progress. Small amounts do add up. I know for next month we're going to be in that 5,000 bracket, so I'm excited. So yeah, so there is my update, you guys. Yeah, I hope you like this short and quick fun video, and I cannot wait to see what next month will do for me on this debt journey. Finally want to be debt free, you guys. So yeah, I'm excited to see how long it's going to take me to pay all of that debt. I'm hoping I can do it before my birthday or on my birthday, which is August. So yeah, I hope you guys have a lovely Tuesday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Wednesday, Freaky Wednesday. So bye guys, see you in the next one.